What's up, everyone? Welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday, where we take you behind the scenes and show you what's happening at all of our locations. We do this every week, almost without failure, for many, many years. So we're very transparent with what we're working on. We're going to start up front today, though. We don't come to the front of the shop very often. This is Jimmy. You guys have seen him on other What's in the Shops. Jimmy's been with us for 6 years, and he got into sales about a year and a half ago. And last month, he broke our sales record. Jimmy is freaking kicking butt. Absolutely awesome. So we want to thank him for that. Let's check out the cars. And in the tint bay, we've got a Chevy Traverse. Terrell and Ethan are tinting. We've been staying abnormally busy this season, deep into the fall and winter, which is, it's good. It's good stuff. To my right is a Bentley. This belongs to our friend Tom. And we did a paint correction and ceramic coating on this. I believe it's done or close to done. The paint's definitely polished. It looks incredible. To my right, this customer waited on this car for a year and 9 months. This is a Lexus SUV. I'm not good with the Lexus models, GX or something like that, LX maybe. Really, really nice car, big car. Getting a full 10 mil paint protection wrap, a ceramic coating, window tint. This belongs to our friend Rick, and we've done a lot of work for Rick, and we really appreciate his business. In front of that's a Cybertruck, and we're doing a PPF wrap, but not clear. So Expel doesn't make many colors. They basically just have black. But UltraFit has a really awesome array of colors. And so we're doing something called Phoenix Red on this. It's a gloss color, and it almost looks black at certain angles, and then it looks like a vampire red. Really cool color. So you're going to want to tune in to check that out when it's done. And in the wash bay, we've got a RAV4 getting prepped for PPF. It's on deck. I want to thank our friend Caleb for sending us that one. Outside, we've got a bunch of stuff. We have a Ram. This one had a vinyl roof wrap from a couple of years ago, and it was failing, which happens with vinyl after a few years if it's sitting outside, especially. UV beats it up really bad. So it needed replaced. So we removed the black vinyl. Tons of adhesive left over. We're getting that off. We're going to rewrap it black. Right beside it is a BMW M Series SUV. Full 10 mil paint protection film wrap, ceramic coating, window tint, and interior coating. So this is a big job. Basically every service that we offer. And guys, when we do a full wrap, like, we cover basically everything. And you really can't see it. I'm standing right here. I know there's a wrap on here, and I can barely see. Look at this alignment. About as perfect as it gets. They're always going to have a little gap, just the way that patterns are, because things vibrate and you don't want it to peel. But you're talking like 99.9% coverage. These pieces get protected. These grill pieces get protected. You name it. If there's a pattern for it, we're going to wrap it. Sometimes if there's not, we do it too. BMW 3 Series full front end paint protection film. And it's not just for BMWs, Mercedes, and Porsches, and Bentleys. We've got a Toyota Tacoma. This one's getting a track package. So full front end as well as rocker panels. And this Audi S5 had to get some paint work done on the rear bumper. It's back from the paint shop, and now it's time to start the full paint protection film wrap on this one as well. Beside it is a gigantic RV. This was a warranty claim from a company called, I think, EcoShield. Basically, the coating that they put on the thing isn't performing anymore. They've acknowledged that, agreed to cover it under warranty, and we are the shop that's going to be doing that for them. So it's a little bit of a new product for us, but I'm sure it's nothing we can't handle. We're going to be working on that starting probably today as well. Right beside that's a Silverado. This one got polished and ceramic coated. This thing is gorgeous. Kevin brought in his GT3. 2010 with only 7,000 miles on it. This car is freaking perfect. Full paint protection film wrap, ceramic coating on this one. We're going to be doing satin black PPF on the hood too. Change it up a little bit, kind of look like a GT2. So really, really, really beautiful car. Congrats on the new purchase there, Kevin. Also, sitting here a couple minutes ago was a beautiful C8 Z06. Black on black. We did a full wrap coating. We installed a racing stripe on it that the customer supplied. Really, really awesome looking car. It just went home. So Wally, we want to thank you for bringing the car in. And I guess we'll see you in April for the Mustang. And beside that is Ed's Silverado. I am not good with the years. I think this is late 70s, early 80s. Jimmy's doing a full polish on this. So before Jimmy was in sales, he was in detailing for about 15 years combined, and he's really excellent. So he's finishing a polish on this thing this week. That's it for what's happening in Latrobe. Let's check out the other shops.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Up in the showroom is a brand new 2025 Porsche Macan EV. This one from our friends at Swickley Car Store. We did a full front paint protection film package on this vehicle. Up on the platform is a familiar vehicle. This is Joseph's Z06. We store this vehicle for Jeff every year during the first sign of snowfall. So it's gonna be hanging out in the showroom here for the next few months. Next up for a full paint correction and ceramic coating is this 1970 Jaguar E-Type. This is in every year for winter storage as well. This year Tom decided let's polish out the paint and protect it with a ceramic coating. Over here we got Mark doing his thing on this Range Rover. This is getting a full paint correction, 4-year ceramic coating on the entire vehicle. And we previously, a couple days ago, tinted the 2 front windows to match the factory tint. Over here we have a completed vehicle. This one a BMW X7 M60i. This got window tint on the 2 front windows to match the factory tint. And we also did our full front paint protection film. In the back, we got the PPF crew working on this Raptor R. This is getting a stealth conversion. As you can see over here, the door behind Steve has the factory gloss paint, and we're doing the fender as we speak. So we're gonna turn this vehicle from gloss to satin and protect the whole vehicle. We are also tinting all the side windows in the back window and topping everything off with a 4-year Fusion Plus coating. Also in the back is a Cadillac CT5V. This was in the shop about a year ago for a full wrap, window tint, and ceramic coating. Unfortunately, a local dealership car wash did damage the paint protection film. Thankfully, because it was wrapped, the paint was unscathed, but we did have to do some paintless dent repair, some replacement pieces, and recoating on the entire vehicle. That is all for Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
Hey guys, what's going on today? This is Kayla with Blackout Tinting South Florida, and today I'm going to be showing you what's in the shop, so come on. Today we have here is a 2021 Audi TT RS. As you can see, this is a beautiful blue color, and this customer will be getting paint protection film with us today. This customer is interested in only the full front clip package, which covers only the bumper, hood, fenders, and mirrors. Typically, we like to call these the high impact areas of the vehicle where the rock chips hit the most. So we will be wrapping this for him today. 2024 Tesla Cybertruck. This customer dropped off with us to get a full color change in PPF, ceramic coating, and front window tint. The color this customer chose is light stone. Believe it or not, this is the first light stone that we've ever done here in our Miami location for a Cybertruck. Typically, Cybertruck owners like to go with the gloss or satin black PPF, but this customer chose this one. It is a mixture of white and gray. It's super elegant and classy. And we're gonna top it off with the ceramic coating to keep it extra nice and clean. We're currently finishing up the rear bedside. Now, as you can see, Amari has removed the fender flares to give it the cleanest installation. So when it comes to a Cybertruck, we like to remove parts like this just so we can tuck the edges with the paint protection film. 2021 Subaru Outback. This customer is getting a full vehicle tint on the windshield and sides. We're going ahead with 5% on the sides and 70% on the front windshield. We are using our super ceramic on the windshield, which is the XR Plus, and on the sides we are going in with the XR. This one is honestly our most popular tint film, and it rejects about 90% of infrared rays. Our tinter Alfredo, he is currently sitting in the trunk of this vehicle and applying the side window films. So he goes ahead and wets it with a solution of baby soap and water, and then he goes and places it on the inside. Here we have is a 2023 Corvette Stingray. This customer is getting a full ceramic coating. This ceramic coating will be covering the wheels, brakes, and calipers, all painted areas of the vehicle, and all glass windows. We absolutely love Corvettes here at Blackout Tinting, but I would for sure say this is one of my favorite ones that has come into the shop yet. This customer has removed his Corvette markers and completely blacked it out. I think it looks awesome and cool, and we can't wait to apply the XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating to give it a nice glossy and showroom look.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you're one of our loyal watchers that watch us week after week after week, we hope we don't keep you too bored. We hope that you like seeing the cars that are here in the shop, and we hope you come back for more. Hit the like, subscribe, share this with your friends. We'll see you next week.